Hello everyone, I am the teacher for this question and the question is what is the difference between primary cell and secondary cell? So हमें primary cell and secondary cell में difference बताना है. Okay, so here we write primary cell and here secondary cell and this is our separation line. Okay, so the first point in primary cell are if charged ones then cannot be recharged. ओके सो इनको अगर एक बार चार्ज कर देते तो इसको दोबारा से हम रिचार्ज नहीं कर सकते. मींस इसको हम एक ही बार यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट. एंड इफ डिस्चार्ज then these can be charged. Okay, and the second point is it has low life obviously because एक बार चार्ज कर सकते हैं, right. And it has large life. Okay, and for recharging whole material is to be replaced सो मीन्स अगर सब कुछ ही चेंज करना पड़ गया दैट मीन्स हम एक नया सेल बना रहे हैं, राइट. उसको हम पुराने वाले का तो कोई यूज ही नहीं रह गया. सो दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई इट कैन नॉट बी रिचार्ज्ड. बट इन केस ऑफ सेकेंडरी सेल it can be easily charged by giving supply. Okay, so examples, the fourth point is example is dry cell or Daniel cell, and the examples of secondary cell are nickel cell and lead acid battery or lead acid cell. Okay, so these are the differences between primary cell and secondary cell. Thank you.